Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most exciting motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 KTM RC 8C, a track-focused machine built for pure performance. KTM has once again pushed the limits with this limited production superbike, delivering race-ready engineering straight from the factory. Whether you're a hardcore track rider or simply a fan of high-performance motorcycles, the RC8C is a beast worth talking about. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KTM RC8C is a revised 889 cubic centimeters LC8C parallel twin engine, producing an impressive 135 horsepower. This lightweight, high-revving powerplant is tuned for aggressive track performance, offering a razor-sharp throttle response and a linear power band. Combined with a race-spec Akrapovic exhaust, this machine delivers an intoxicating sound and maximum efficiency on the track. With an updated cooling system and refined fuel mapping, the RC8C is built to withstand the most demanding riding conditions. Chassis and handling. KTM has designed the RC8C with an ultra-lightweight chromoly steel frame, ensuring outstanding rigidity and precision. The bike is fitted with premium WP Apex Pro suspension, featuring fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for optimal track performance. The aerodynamically optimized carbon fiber bodywork, along with integrated winglets, enhances stability at high speeds, ensuring razor-sharp cornering and confident braking. Braking and electronics. Stopping power is crucial on the track, and KTM has equipped the RC8C with high-performance Brembo Stylema calipers and dual 290mm front discs. A Brembo RCS 19 Corsa Corta Master cylinder provides exceptional braking feel and control. Advanced electronics, including traction control, launch control, and a quick shifter, allow riders to push their limits with confidence. The race-derived TFT display provides real-time telemetry, helping riders optimize their lap times with precision. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM RC8C is not just another sport bike, it's a purpose-built track weapon designed for serious riders. With its race-ready components, lightweight chassis, and cutting-edge electronics, this limited-edition machine is a dream for anyone looking to dominate the track. KTM has once again proven that they mean business when it comes to high-performance motorcycles. Stay tuned to upcoming auto reviews for more in-depth reviews on the latest two-wheeled beasts.